Hello guys, I am Ashok. Welcome to my Paramount's review, which has been created by Mosh Berry and it launches on 23rd June EDT. Basically, it is a software which helps to bring huge traffic to your offers and it helps to create post and your own page builder. Also, you can create your own e-commerce store and this software comes with the Facebook and Instagram bots which helps you to reply your customers automatically. So now I am in the dashboard of Paramount. I will provide you all the information that is necessary for you to decide whether you should go for this product or not. And in case you will decide to purchase the copy of this product, then please click on the link below the description of this video that will take you to my bonus page and there you can click any of the button that will take you to the sales page and there you can purchase this product and the bonuses which I am going to talk about in a minute will come along with the purchase of this product absolutely for free. So first I will take you to my bonus page to show you what bonuses I am offering. Okay guys, so now we are in the bonus page. So first bonus is you will get the access for JavaScript commission bot. So basically it is a software. It generates traffic from Instagram and from Twitter by growing your account organically. And so obviously with Twitter and with Instagram you can get traffic at any age because you can target specific audiences. So this is pretty amazing bonus. And bonus number two, you will get the access for 10k email manifesto case study, and here you will learn how to make 10k dollars by using the email marketing strategy. And bonus number three, here you will get the access for YouTube super traffic hack training, and here you will learn how to send traffic from the YouTube to your businesses. And bonus number four, here you will get the access for the lockdown formula, and here you will learn how to quickly make money online using a simple setup system with basic SKUs pages, taking people to an offer, and full traffic generation training will also be included. Okay, so bonus number five, you will get the access for all vendor bonuses along with my bonuses which I have mentioned above. And once if you want to buy this product, click this button here, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and it will take you to the sales page. And once you buy this product, go to your Warrior Plus account, and in the purchase tab you can see this access affiliate bonuses tab here, and once you click it, you will get the access for all the bonuses above I have mentioned. Okay, so now I will take you to the dashboard of the product. Okay guys, so here we go. We are in the dashboard of Paramount, and this is how exactly the dashboard will look like. And in import account, you can import your existing Facebook account here, and in search for deals, you can get the best deal offered in JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. And if you are not sure about the offers in marketplace, then definitely it will help you. And in Page Builder, you can create a professional page builder for your businesses, and there are many done for you templates available for you. You can click design and you can edit your page, and once you have edited, you can download these pages. And once your page is ready, in social share you can share your page to the social media with the help of social share. Here there are many social networks available. You can share your pages by using social share. And next one, Facebook poster, and you can create a multimedia post, CTA post, and carousel video post here. And in multimedia post, you can create text, link, image, and video post. So next one is FB comment bot. This will uh, help you to replay and comment to your customers automatically, and vice versa. You can create a Instagram post by using Instagram poster, and also there is a Insta comment bot, also comment template, replay template. They are available to replay. to your customers automatically. And next one is subscriber manager. So it will it will help you to manage your subscribers. Here you can manage contact group, contact book, email fold opt-in, and from builder, so which will help you to customize subscribers based on email opt-in builder. And next one, email marketing. So we can set up email API settings, email campaign, email templates, and email sequence campaign here. So next one is SMS marketing. Here as well we can set up SMS API settings, SMS campaigns, SMS template, and a SMS sequence campaign. And next one is e-commerce. And here you can create your own e-commerce stores, and here you can oh, okay, here you can create your own e-commerce stores here. Then okay, yeah, here you can do WooCommerce abandoned cart recovery. And then next one is traffic marketing analysis. So yeah, you can do analysis here, visitors analysis, website analysis, social network analysis, rank and index analysis, domain analysis, link analysis, IP analysis, keyword analysis. And next one is backlink and ping analysis. So here you can search the Google backlink and backlink generator website ping, and then there are utility tools for you. Here you can utility email encoder decoder, metadata generator, plagiarism check, valid email check, duplicate email filter, URL encoder decoder, URL canonical check, gzip check, base 64 encoder decoder, robot code generator. And the next one is website comparison. And here you can do comparison with another website to your competitor website by uh, for example you can do comparison by your reach and content like that. Then the next one is trading. So if you are not sure how to use this software, then there is a lot of training videos here. You can you can watch it, and uh, you can learn and use this software later. Then the last one is support desk. And in case if you have any queries or doubt about this software, feel free to uh, reach the support desk here. So that's all guys, that's all about this software. This is how actually the software looks like, and this is how the software work. And now I will take you to the sales page. In sales page, I will show you some testimonials and income screenshots. Okay, so yeah, now we are the sales page. Here, get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different sources with this groundbreaking one-click traffic app. Okay, so yeah, here we have the income screenshot. Here we have the steps. Here we have another income. Yeah, we are here we have another income screenshot. Yeah, here we have another income screenshot here. Then yeah, here we have the testimonials of the software. So okay, so that's all in the sales page. And I will tell you about some key benefits and upsells for this software. So so yeah, what is Paramount's all about? Uh, Access unlimited by traffic, and here are some steps, simple steps. Step one: log into your Paramount account, get the lowest ever price access by clicking the Get Started Now button below. And step 2, copy and paste any link to promote. Enter your link to any landing page, sales page, e-commerce store, affiliate offer, or app download. Not sure what to promote? Choose from a list of the hottest affiliate offers on the market right now, all in one click from right within the app. Uh, we have seen, right? So step 3, press send and start earning. Watch our advanced algorithm deal in high quality buyers from 300 premium traffic sources used by top marketers. So here are the funnels and upsells. In front end, the software is available for $17 now, and upsell number one $47, upsell number two $67, upsell number three $97, upsell number four $97, upsell number five 198 $197. So maybe in these upsells there will be some updated softwares. And so here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 premium sources. Enjoy a hands-off automated businesses, no content creation or technical skills required, and already working for beginners. All replace 9 to 5 income with consistent daily sales, and nothing to learn or set up. Start earning today. No recurring fees ever. Only pay if you get results. Okay, so here we have 30 days money guarantees also. So okay guys, thanks for your all patience and support. That's all about this software, and I have explained all the things about this software. If you are thinking of buying, please click the link in the description. It will take you to my bonus page, and there you can click any buttons that will take you to the sales page, and there you can buy this software. And so, okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Until that, bye and take care.